So what you can also do by using the magic tools under CapCut is you can stabilize out shaky videos. So to do that, over here you can go around under the magic tools right here, and you can see that video stabilization is an option right here. If I were to go around and click right here, then it opens up the video stabilization tool right here, as you can see. And now what I can do is I can click on upload right here. And once I do that, I can go around and then select out a video that I like. So I'm just going to go around over here and select this video footage right here and click on open right here. And now what happens is that it analyzes out the video that we just uploaded, and then we'll try to stabilize it right here. So it says generating, and it does take a bit of time, which is normal because video files are quite heavy. So you can see that it is uploading and then it'll take a while. So I'm just going to skip to the part where the generating has been finished. So this is the result right here. So this is the stabilized video, as you can see. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that it tried to stabilize the video a bit right here. And this is the before, as you can see right here. So the video is quite shaky, as you can see right here. But as we turn on the video stabilization, it zoomed in a bit for the stabilization correction. But you can see that it tried to go around and correct this a bit right here. So it is not perfect, but it really helps in stabilizing the videos just like this. So that is how you can go around and then utilize the video stabilizer inside of CapCut to stabilize shaky videos. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.